Hello everybody! This video will show you how to enable the compatibility mode in Windows 10. This mode will allow you to run applications which used to work well with the previous versions of Windows, but under Windows 10 they won't start or work without proper stability. So let's begin. Go to your Applications Properties, open the tab Compatibility, and select the compatibility mode with the required version of the operating system. You can additionally change the settings here, so you can start even very old programs created for very early versions of the Windows operating system. Click on Apply for the changes to take effect. Now, here is the second method. It will be useful if there is no Compatibility tab. We will not go on to discuss why it can happen, but we'll just see how compatibility mode can be adjusted in such situation. Now enter in the search field "Run programs made for previous versions of Windows" and start it. Click Next. Review the suggested list of applications or choose one, checking the line "Not listed". In our case, the necessary application is here. Click Next. If you want to set the compatibility mode manually, select Troubleshoot Program. Check the box "The program worked in earlier versions of Windows but won't install around now". Now select the version of Windows that you want your application to be compatible with. Click Test the program. The application has started in compatibility mode. Close the application. Click Next. Select Yes, save these settings for this program, so that this application should start with such compatibility settings by default, and you will not have to go through